Hello and welcome to yet another video. Thank you all for watching and following this series. It is really fun to see subscribers going up and views. I didn't actually expect to have 100 subscribers yet this fast, so thank you a lot. So basically what we have done so far is, let me just see if I can launch this. What we have managed to do so far is we have created coins, we have created a player, we have made gravity, we have made him be able to jump, and we have checked for collision. When we collide with one coin, it's gonna get destroyed. See, and in this video, we're gonna create text. We're gonna create a score, and we're gonna make so when we collide with the coin, we're gonna add it to our score. It's really not hard to do, so let's get started. We're gonna first create a public static int and call it score. And we're gonna set it to 0. We're going to create another static int called highscore. We're also going to set that to, no, we're not going to initialize that. So, we're going to get down to our onDraw method. We're going to make sure we draw the text after our background color has been drawn. And we're going to set our paint text paint equals to new paint. We're gonna import our paint object, and now we are gonna change the text size of our paint. We're gonna set text size. It's gonna change the size of our text, and we're gonna set it to 32. And we're also gonna set the now we're gonna keep our color as ordinary as black. But if we wanted to change it, we could just set .set color, and we could change the color to red or something else. I'm gonna see if we can find another attribute we might want to do. Typeface maybe? Typeface. Nah, let's not do that. I'm not entirely sure how to do it. So we're gonna set draw canvas dot draw text. We're gonna draw a text score plus string our score. Let's see. Alright. String dot. I'm pretty sure it's value of score. By using this little command, we can actually draw our integer value, which is gonna be our score, and the X position of the text is gonna be at 0. It's gonna be to the left of the screen. And let's set our Y to 32, since our text size is 32. And our paint is gonna be text paint, which defines our text size. And we're gonna do the same with highscore. Highscore, though, we're gonna take it 64, 2 times our text size, and it's gonna be dependent on our highscore. Now we're gonna go over here, and we're just gonna, every time the game updates and draws everything again, we're gonna increase the score by 5. I'm gonna make an if statement. If our if our score is more than or equal our high score, we're gonna set our high score to our score. highscore. There we go. Let's see if it works. It should. Come on now. It should start in a minute. Okay, it only updated once. Let's see what we did wrong. Okay, just to make sure that it updates, let's create a method instead. Public void, and we're gonna call it update, just like in our player and our coin object. We're gonna have our code here. We're also gonna call it in our onDraw method. Now it should work. I was gonna wait for it to launch once again. Yes, you see the value increases by 5 every step. By doing this, we could, for example, tell the player how long he has traveled, how far he has traveled, and of course we could also use it as a score. Now we're gonna see if we can increase the value of the score when we get the coin. So if this if statement, if the collision occurs between the player and the coin, we're gonna add score plus equals to, let's say, 500, and it will be clear. That didn't decrease it. And we're just gonna check if our high score works. We're gonna set it to 1000. So we're gonna check if the if statement over here is working. If it shouldn't be turned to 5 when the game starts, because it is more than the current score. See, our high score is 1000 and it doesn't change. We picked up a coin, we got 500 score. Gonna pick up another one. 1500. So that's this video was pretty short, but I hope you liked it. You know now how to add objects, how to draw them, how to animate them, how to check if it collides. You know how to draw text. You could draw how many coins you have gathered. You can also kill the player if you want to. I believe, yeah, you learned it over here. You can also check for gravity. So, yeah, that's all the basics we need for an endless running game. Now we just need to add random generated terrain and some obstacles, and we should be ready to go. So, as I said, that was all. We have made all this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Feedback is, as I always say, welcome. And if you have time over and you like to play games or watch people play games, please watch my brother's channel. I will have a link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching once again. Please have a nice day. Bye bye. Oh, and in the next video I'm thinking about creating our ground. So it doesn't look like he's just standing in the air. So I hope you're looking forward to it. It's gonna be up in the next days, the next few days hopefully.